Step into sneaker history with the Nike Air Force 1 Low White, Black and Orange Peel, a fresh take on Bruce Kilgore's iconic 1983 design. Originally crafted for basketball performance, the AF1 has evolved into a lifestyle staple while still honoring its soup's roots. This special edition boasts premium leather and suede across the upper, complemented by a miniature swoosh on the lateral panel for a unique twist. The tongue, thematic lace dubrae, and footbed graphics draw inspiration from basketball culture, capturing the essence of the game. The semi-translucent sole features a sunset-inspired gradient with a pattern reminiscent of basketball nets and classic urban courts. Perfect for collectors and enthusiasts, this commemorative pair is a nod to the sport's influence on street style. Official photos showcase every detail, from premium materials to thoughtful design elements. Expected release, April 2026 via Nike.com.